Hey, don't you hate it when you create a script and it comes with infinite commentary lines and you have to delete it every damn time? Have you ever wondered how to change it? Well, wonder no more. Step 1.
Get over here!
But seriously, get over here. I'm putting the paths in the description of the video down below. Just copy the one equivalent to your system and paste it. Step 2. Copy and paste any .gd script if you want a GD script file. Otherwise, just copy your previous C# one, create a new file, make sure to put a .cs extension there, and paste the content inside. Step 3. Change it to your liking and don't forget to save. Step 4. When creating a new script back in Godot, just click here, find your template, and voila! And that's it, guys, how to change the default script template in 4 easy steps. If you like Godot tutorials, Godot C# tutorials, general game dev and/or game design stuff, subscribe for more of that. That's it for now, and see you in the next one.